Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use GPT-4 language model for absolutely free without buying Chatgpt Plus subscription plan. There are two free methods and I'll show you both of them. So let's begin with the first method. This website is called pro.com. I will leave the link in the description. First of all, you need to go to this website. The first thing we need to do is sign up on pro.com. We can sign up with our mobile phone or our Gmail. After you will create an account, you will see this interface, and in the left menu you should find GPT-4. So let's click GPT-4, and here is an AI bot which uses GPT-4 language model. But bad news about this is that it's limited and we have only one free message per day. You can see the message here, you have one free message left today. After you will create an account, we will have only one free message, one free prompt per day. But if you have another Gmail, you can create another account and you will have two free prompts per day, guys. So it's very simple to use this chatbot, guys. You can see the message box here. Just enter the message and click this send icon here, guys, and you will receive the answer from this GPT-4 language model bot. And now let's move on another method, which is Bing AI chat, guys, and it's officially confirmed that the new Bing runs on OpenAI's GPT-4. You can find the confirmation on this blog, guys, where it's written that new Bing AI chat is using the GPT-4 language model. So how to use Bing chat? First of all, you need to have Edge browser on your PC or on your device. If you don't have Microsoft Edge, go to Google and type in the search bar download Microsoft Edge and open the first result. From here you can download the Microsoft Edge browser to your device, guys. After you will have Microsoft Edge on your device, go to Microsoft Edge and go to the bing.com. The next thing you need to do is create Microsoft account if you don't have it. In the top right menu you will see the sign in text, so click this. And if you don't have Microsoft account, click create one and sign up on Microsoft. Or if you have an account, just sign in. So after we will sign in to Microsoft account, then we should click the chat button in the top menu here, and we will open the Bing AI chat, guys. So we can start using Bing AI chat for absolutely free, which is using GPT-4 language model. And here we can choose the style of conversation. The first is more creative, the second one is more balanced, and the third one is more precise. And in my opinion, you should choose the third one because it's very similar to ChatGPT, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you in this short video. Don't forget to like this video. Likes are super important for us, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.